I'm going to try and stay steady here. Well, it works. The new treadmill motor, permanent magnet treadmill motor, worked out real good, puts out good voltage. The idler, I had to make a couple adjustments to keep everything running smooth, but our belt isn't rubbing anywhere, and the groove I cut in the pulley is working real good for the automotive belt. It's the ribbed belt, is staying in it real good, and if I give her absolutely everything I have, I can get about 280 watts out of it. That's pretty hard to do, trying to hold the camera steady on the meter, but it puts out power. If I just coast at about the same effort that it takes to get down a sidewalk, I can get a steady 50 to 80 watts out of it. And what's real nice is this flywheel keeps the wheel spinning, keeps the motor spinning. It's got a good deal of kinetic momentum, so you know you can ride it just like a bike. Get pedaling fast and let your legs brake for a couple seconds and then pedal, and you can pulsate if you get it spinning fast enough and keep it putting out power. I've actually been using this quite a bit. I ride on it probably 20-30 minutes a night, which doesn't really add up to a whole lot of power, but it is kind of fun. You know, getting some exercise and putting power into the bank while I'm doing it. So it's not a crazy charge or anything like that. It actually takes a good deal of energy to make energy once you know it. So yeah, again, the motor is wired directly to an MPPT solar controller, so it takes the higher voltage from the motor, steps it down to battery voltage, and decides the best way to maximize the amperage wattage output of that. And then that just runs straight to the bus bars, and it's not carrying any crazy current or anything like that, so I've just got 12 gauge, and that's fine. But you know, if it were an emergency situation and turbines went down and something happened to the solar, I could shut the inverter down and sit on this thing and pedal for half an hour, and at least get the batteries back into yellow. So there it is. It works. I'll try to dig up all the parts I used and list everything. A lot of it was just fab, and you got to be clever if you're going to try and make something like this. Use a square, make some accurate measurements and marks, and when you get it first mocked up, it's probably not going to work the first time. Every bike frame is a little different. This one is a straight through, kind of a backbone frame, so it gave me a lot of room behind the seat. You might have to mount yours somewhere else, but yeah, it can be done. Thanks for watching. Take care.